Okay, so this is a package from AliExpress, and I can tell what's inside because that definitely sounds like the sound of a ball bearing rolling about inside a plastic ball, so it can only be the Intellect Ball that I ordered. So let's open it up. Again, like the other Intellect balls that I've bought, this was really cheap. It's about £2 or £3. And I think this is going to be the biggest Intellect ball that I've got yet. Yeah, that's pretty big. Pretty flat as well, pretty squashed. I didn't think it was going to be as big as that. So I'll show you how the size of this compares to the other Intellect balls that I've got. See, I think maybe this will be the last one that I'll get because the only other Intellect balls that I haven't got are ones which are much bigger than these, and I don't really care that much about getting a really big one for some reason. The camera battery is about to run out, so hopefully it will last long enough for this video. So hopefully that's in focus. Interesting how you've got 2 stars on that thing. Now I'm sure in the picture of this on AliExpress, I'm sure this long green track here, I'm sure it was like a tunnel rather than a track. Could have sworn it was a tunnel. That's interesting, that thing just moved. Cool. You've got 3 stars on that thing. 3 stars on that one. And on these bits you've got like stars. Got FH. Not sure what FH stands for. Give you an even close look. So yeah, it's the same design. It's probably the same brand as these two. We've got like these circles on top, 3 circles. This one is a different one, probably a different brand, because it doesn't have the 3 circles on top. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this isn't going to turn like the other one. Wow. Plastic's pretty thin. You can actually dent it in. I wasn't expecting that. Let's try it from this other start point. It's got a number 2 on it. Hopefully the battery won't die on me now. That's quite cool. Guess I need to try and flip this over quickly so I don't lose the ball. Yep, cool. Oops, lost it. So there you have it, pretty cool. Thanks for watching.